Tax season is here, and if you're a Wealthsimple user, you're probably wondering how to get your hands on that oh-so-important tax report. Let's break it down, step by step. Now, I know what you're thinking. Tax reports? Boring. Numbers? Even worse. But trust me, this is important stuff. Not only is it essential for filing your taxes accurately, but it can also help you understand your financial performance over the past year. So, let's dive in. Main content: how to get your tax report. Understanding your tax report. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of finding your tax report, let's quickly talk about what it actually is. Your Wealthsimple tax report is a summary of your investment activity for the tax year. It includes information like capital gains, dividends, and other relevant data. Think of it as a financial snapshot. Accessing your tax report. Okay, now for the good part. How do you actually get this thing? Log into your Wealthsimple account. This might seem obvious, but it's the first step. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to get the tax report for. Navigate to the settings section. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon. It's usually a gear or a profile picture. Click on that. Find the tax documents option. You should see an option for tax documents or something similar. Click on it. Select the desired tax year. Wealthsimple typically keeps multiple years of tax documents. Choose the year you need the report for. Understanding the tax report. Now that you've got your hands on the report, what do you do with it? Well, for starters, it's a good idea to review it. Understand the numbers. See how your investments performed. But remember, this isn't financial advice. If you're unsure about anything, consider consulting with a tax professional. Downloading and saving your tax report. You will probably want a physical or digital copy of your tax report for your records. Most platforms allow you to download it as a PDF. Once you have it, save it in a secure location. Common issues and troubleshooting. Let's talk about some common problems you might encounter. Report not available. If you can't find your tax report for a specific year, it might be because the tax year hasn't ended yet. Or, there might be an issue with your account. Try contacting Wealthsimple support. Report is incorrect. If you think there's an error in your tax report, contact Wealthsimple immediately. They can help you rectify the issue. Additional tips. Organize your documents. Keep all your financial documents, including your tax reports, organized. A digital filing system can be a lifesaver. Back up your data. It's always a good idea to have backups of important documents. This includes your tax reports. Consider a tax professional. If your finances are complex, or if you're unsure about anything, consider consulting a tax professional. Getting your tax report from Wealthsimple doesn't have to be a headache. With a little know-how, you can navigate the process smoothly. Remember, accuracy is key when it comes to taxes, so take your time and double-check everything. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.